morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We will wait for a few minutes and let others join.
गुडन है पूरी कुर्सी गंदी कर रखी है।
We'll wait for 1 minute, okay? And then we will start. श्वेता एंड विशाल अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए। श्वेता एंड विशाल। मुकुल वीडियो ऑन करिए। श्वेता विशाल।
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून। Okay, we will get started. So in a right angle triangle, what is the value of cot A into cot B into cot C? A, B, C are the angles of the triangle. How would we do this? Good afternoon. कैसे करेंगे बेटा ये? In a right triangle where the angles are A, B, C, what is cot A into cot B into cot C? हाँ देखिए, the thing is cot B, right? 90 डिग्री होगा इनमें से एक। इसमें हमने B को मान लिया 90, किसी को भी मान लीजिए। तो what is cot 90 डिग्री? देखिए, अगर आपको याद नहीं भी है तो ये कोटेंजेंट है, यानी
Sir, answer check 90 आया। Check 90.
Good
नहीं।
afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
One.
सॉरी, कॉट 90 डिग्री कितना होता है? अगर आपको याद नहीं भी है तो कॉट क्या होता है? कोटेंजेंट होता है, मतलब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल है टेंजेंट का, तो इसका मतलब ये tan 0 डिग्री होता है। अगर आपको याद नहीं है, वरना तो आपको याद होना चाहिए कॉट 90, नहीं याद है तो tan 0 लिख लीजिए। tan 0 तो याद होगा ही, क्या होता है? 0। tan 0 डिग्री इज 0। तो इनमें से एक ना एक वैल्यू 0 है, राइट? So it doesn't matter what the other values are. Okay, so the answer is going to be 0. Understood? Anybody has doubts on this question? Everybody understands why the answer is 0? क्योंकि ये गिवन है, ये राइट ट्रायंगल है। राइट ट्रायंगल नहीं पता होगा तो आंसर नहीं बता पाएंगे हम। Okay, understood? Okay, let's move on. If sec x plus 10x, sec x plus 10x is equal to y, then the value of 10x in terms of y निकालनी है।
Sir जी रोम सर रोम
राम राम शिव। शिव
रोम
इसके बाद राम राम मत करना, ठीक है? That disturbs the class. I know you do to disturb the class. Okay?
ओके सर, ना करूं, रोम ना करूंगा उससे।
Okay. So how would we do this? Sec x plus 10x is equal to y. अब हमें 10x की वैल्यू निकालनी है इन टर्म्स ऑफ y.
तो सर हम आइडेंटिटी का यूज करेंगे, sec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1।
सर बोथ साइड स्क्वायर करेंगे।
Sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Right? We know that.
यस सर।
तो sec x, बेटा औरों को आ रही है, आप अपना वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए फोन का। Sec x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Right? So this we can go and put in this. So we will get 1 plus tan square x plus 10 is equal to y, right? Now we have only y and we have 10x. We have to now simplify it. Okay, to simplify, we will take it on this side, y minus 10x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, right? And we can square both the sides. So we will get 1 plus tan square x is equal to the square of this, which is y square plus tan square x minus
प्लस
2y
माइनस
x, right? The good news is it's easy to simplify because it becomes 10x is equal to y square minus 1 by 2. Okay? So that's the final answer. If sine square x plus cosec square x is equal to 6, then sin x plus cos x is equal to.
Sir, 2 root 2.
Okay. How did you do that?
So we will square the term sin x plus cos x, and then we will find that it will come in the terms of sin square x plus cos x square x, and the 2 into sin x plus into cos x will be cancelled out.
Very good.
And then
So we can take it as something. Let's say I take it as y, right? So we square both the sides. We will get sin square x plus cosec square x plus 2 into sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x is cosec x. Sin x into cosec 1. So this will just remain 2, right? Is equal to y. Okay, so sin square x plus, sorry, this we know is equal to 6. Okay, so 6 plus 2 is equal to y square, right? So y is equal to under root 8, which is 2 root 2. Okay, we are taking only the positive value here. Okay, we are only taking the positive value here. Ideally, this could have been plus minus 2 root 2. Okay, we are just taking the positive value because, as I said, these ratios we have only studied as positive numbers. Okay, that's why we will just take the positive number, and that's our final answer. Okay. Now, we have a sum of angles type of a question. Sin a plus b is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos a minus b is equal to root 3 by 2. And a minus b, a is the bigger angle than b is what it says. Okay, so a minus b is greater than 0 actually means a is bigger than b. Okay, so ye bhi positive number hai, ye bhi positive number hai. Then the values of a and b are. How will we do this?
so that is pretty much simple because we know sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2 and cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. So we will substitute a plus b equals to 60 and a minus b equals to 30. And by elimination method, we will be finding the value of a and b.
Right. We add 2a is equal to 90 degree. So a is equal to 45 degrees, right? And b is equal to 15 degrees. Okay, it's a straightforward question because we know these values. These are standard values of sine and cosine ratios. Okay. If cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1, then the value, okay, of sine square a plus cos sine is.
So here, firstly, we will write that cos a equals to 1 minus cos square a. So we know by the identity 1 minus cos square a equals to sin square a. So cos a will be equals to sin square a. And not 1 minus sin.
Okay. So we know this. Now we know this is what? Okay, is equal to cos A. So ये है cos A. And this is equal to cos
And
A,
squaring on both sides.
right? So what is this thing? This is cos A plus cos square A, which we already know is 1. So the answer is simply 1. Okay. So basically this thing and this thing are one and the same, right? Because of this given equation, not always, because of this given equation. Anybody who has any doubts at any point of time, please ask me to stop and explain. Okay. That's the whole idea of these sessions. In a right angle triangle ABC, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, AC minus AB is given to be 1 centimeter, and angle B is 90 degrees. The value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to.
तो इसमें हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे।
Okay, BC is given to be 7. Okay, we can take AB is equal to X, right? Then what is AC? X plus 1 from here, right? Now we are asked these, right? So to find this, it's first we have to find the values of X and hence X plus 1, right? So that we can find X square plus 7 square is equal to X plus 1 whole square. ठीक है, तो ये 24 है और ये 25. Now it is straightforward, right? What is cos A? Cos A.
Base upon hypotenuse.
24 by
24
25.
by 25.
What is cos B?
0.
Cos B is 0, right? That you cannot do by base upon hypotenuse. You will have to know that it is 0, right? And the third is this.
7 by 25.
Okay, so now the base is 7, so it's 7 upon 25. So this is 31. Sorry. Yeah, 31 upon 25. Okay. What is the value of this? Okay. So since we are asking the value for this, it's easy to understand that it's going to be some sort of an identity, which will always be true, right? Because we are asked the value of this. So most likely it is an identity value. Okay. So what will that be?
1 cos x square theta minus cos square theta.
Right. So we will write it as cos square theta by sin square. So it will be 1 minus cos square x by sin square, which is sin square x upon sin square x. Is equal to 1. Okay. So very, very simple and straightforward question. No trick here. If sin x plus cos x is equal to 1, then sin x cos x is equal to. This is a straightforward question, right?
0.
Yes. Okay, so do this. We will take this given equation and square it on both sides. Okay, so we will get sine square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 1, right? Now this thing is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 1, which means sin x cos x is equal to 0. ठीक है? So it's an easy question, but you will have to think of that you have to square this, right? How do you get that idea? You get the idea that in the square of this, you will get sin x cos x term, right? You don't know it will simplify always, but your best bet is to do what? Is to square it and try to do it. Is there other way of doing this? Can you think of some other way of doing this? No other way you can think? Okay. So this is the simplest way, right? You can try doing the substitution and all. It will be a pretty long answer. You can get it. Okay. A similar question. If sin x minus cos x is equal to root 2 sine 90 degree minus x, then tan x is. How will we do that?
Root 3.
Root 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so we can see that this term is what? Cos x, right? So it is sin x minus cos x is equal to root 2 cos x, right? We can take this here, so we will get 1 plus root 2 cos x is equal to sin x. We can bring the cos x here, so we will get a tan x here. Tan x is equal to 1 plus root 2. Okay. How did you get root 3? Is this okay, or you made a
by
mistake?
mistake, I added up
Okay, okay, okay.
both them.
But you did it the same way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the value of sin square theta plus sine square 0 plus sine square 1 plus all the way to sine square 90. We did a question like this yesterday.
So 45.
Will it be 45? You know the method, right? But 45 is not the right answer. See, we will do it with this method, right? Is equal to, let's say, x, right? We can also write x as okay, I have just inverted the list. Okay, so causes 0. This is 0. I have inverted the list, right? So now you add it up, we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1. But how many times will we get this? How many terms are there? It starts
90.
from 0 and goes to 90, right? The number
91.
of terms is 90 minus 0 plus 1, right? Which is 91 terms. So 91 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 91 by 2, which is 45 and a half. Okay, I think you gave an answer 45. You were close because you used the right method, but I think you didn't count the terms properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let's move on then. If a cos x minus b sin x is equal to c, then we have to find the value of a sin x plus b cos x.
तो पहले हम यहाँ पे both sides squaring करेंगे and then we will substitute sin square x and cos square x.
You will substitute, you will first square this on both sides, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will have a square cos square x plus b square sin square x plus minus 2ab cos x sin x is equal to c square. Now what will we do?
Now on the place of cos square x, we will write 1 minus sin square x. On the place of sin square x, 1 minus cos square x.
Right? So we are getting a square plus b square minus, in bracket, all of these
B
things
square.
in positive, right? So which is a sin x plus b cos x,
B cos x whole square.
right? This this and these terms together is giving us this is equal to c square, right? So we can take this to this side and this to this side, right? So we will get a square plus b square minus c square is equal to square of this, right? But we want the square root of that. Okay, so it is a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, very good. So this is the way to do it. Another way to do it is you can assume this thing to be equal to y and then square both the equations and add them up. Okay. That way also simplifying will lead you to y is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. Both the methods are actually just one and the same, right? But it depends on preference of the student. You can do either ways. Can you please attempt this question? I'll mark the attendance in the meantime. Yeah.
सर हम इन्हें पहले
Yes. बोलो.
सर हम पहले इन्हें साइन और कॉस की टर्म्स में चेंज कर लेंगे.
Yeah, that is the best thing to do because directly we are not seeing any identity straight away, right? So whenever such a thing happens, converting to sine and cos is a good approach to take. Okay, so let's do that. 1 plus sine x by cos x plus 1 by cos x. 1 plus cos x by sine x minus 1 by sine x. Okay. Now we can take LCM in each separately. So we will get 1 by cos x sin x outside. And inside, what will we get? Cos x plus sin x plus 1 and sin x plus cos x minus 1. Okay. Now, if we take this as A and this as B, then we can use the identity a square minus b square wala,
B square, yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So we will get
Yeah,
sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1 by cos x sin x, right? Now you can see it will get simplified, right? Because this will be sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos
two
x
sin x.
minus 1 by sin x cos x. Okay, now this thing is actually 1. So this minus this will go away. That will be 0. So finally, what will we be left with? 2.
2.
Okay. So whenever we can't see a pattern, then we should spend some time, a few seconds, to see if we can find some pattern to straight away solve it, right? But in this, you don't want to open this bracket and make life difficult for yourself. So it's a better idea to do the substitution. If sec A 2A is equal to cosec A minus 42 degrees.
सर इसमें हम सिंपली sec 2a को cosec 90 माइनस देंगे.
Yes. Okay, so cosecant is the complementary angle इसका, है ना? Complementary ratio है, तो complementary angle की ratio होगी is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 2 is equal to cosec A minus 42 degrees. Now we can just compare these two. So 90 degree minus 2A is equal to A minus 42 degrees, which will give us a 3A is equal to 132 degrees. And A is equal to
44 degrees.
44 degrees. Okay, straightforward. If cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3, then x is.
सर इसमें हम बोथ साइड स्क्वायर करेंगे.
रेशनलाइज करेंगे.
To square.
इससे रेशनलाइज भी हो जाएगा सर.
रेशनलाइज भी कर सकते हैं.
ओके, रैशनलाइज करके आपको क्या फायदा होगा?
सर रेशनलाइज करके LHS की वैल्यू आ रही है 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x.
सर लेकिन हम आइडेंटिटी नहीं बना पाएंगे.
एंड देन सर राइट साइड में भी अगर हम कर देंगे तो सर की टर्म्स में आ जाएगी.
आइडेंटिटी तो नहीं बना पाएंगे आप उस तरीके से. सो यू विल रैशनलाइज इट, राइट? यहाँ पे आपको क्या आ रहा है रैशनलाइज करके?
1 minus 2 sin x into cos x.
आपने किससे ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई किया?
सर cos x minus sin x.
cos x माइनस sin x से किया तो नीचे आ गया आपको cos स्क्वायर x माइनस sin स्क्वायर x, और ऊपर आ गया the square of this, which is cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Now what?
सर ये 1 हो जाएगा.
1 हो जाएगा
वन
सर.
है.
साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस.
फिर ये 1 हो जाएगा. How do you simplify it further? You're able to simplify it further? Will it help you? Rationalization. You're introducing more term according to me. It's not It might